Hi everyone, it's Gayle and I am here with the Etsy share today. It's not going to be a super long one, but I wanted to share what I have with you. So first off, we have a little packet that came from my pal Karen at Saved by Grace Creation, and she sent along some of the things that she has in her shop. So we'll take a look at those. You know, she's one of the ones, she's got the unending coupon code We Love Gayle for 10% off, and it's unending. So that's super fun. So let's start little and go bigger. Set of 6 smaller slides, various flowers, butterflies, etc., ready to be inserted into your journals. So they're specimen slides. Well, that sack has bit the dust, hasn't it? Oh, well. Oh, gosh, aren't these cute? Oh, Karen, these are super fun. Let's look at these. Ooh. Oh, my goodness. Yes, 6 of these. So I'm going to hold them up so you can see. There's the little butterfly one. It's a flower. Another flower. Oh, I love these. Love them. Little butterfly. And a couple more flowers. So you get 6. So that is really fun. Those are so cute. Love those. Love those, Karen. Okay, and then let's see. New kits, various themes. Keep small items organized and ready to use at your fingertips. The kits come in a metal flip lid box decorated according to theme. The kits contain a variety of items related to the theme, like fussy cuts, gems, embellishments, lace, buttons, ribbons, quotes, words, phrases. Many themes available: bunnies, butterflies, birds, gardening, Christmas, and more themes being listed weekly. So, this is fun. Oh boy, she sent me a bunny theme. Ugh. Okay. Oh, look how adorable that is. Isn't that cute? So sweet. So, and then you open it up and it's got all kinds of goodies to play with. This one has some charms, carrots and things, some carrot ribbon. There's stickers. There's tags, little tags, some little gold things, blingy things, and rabbit words, rabbit hole, cottontail, and then some rabbits stamped. Oh my gosh, that is just adorable. Thank you, Karen. Oh, that's so fun. I have on my list to play with my bunny journal, but I am doing a bunny journal at the same time. So this, I mean, I'm getting it ready for my retreat. So that is going to be perfect. Thank you. And then this one is a slow stitch kit. Kit contains many items to create a special journal topper. Fabric image printed on poplin twill, numerous coordinating fabrics, a selection of coordinating pearl cotton threads, coordinating buttons, hand crochet flowers, wooden fob to decoupage after kit is complete. Use as ephemera. Oh my god. She did a bunny one. Oh my goodness. This is so adorable. Oh, how fun. So there's that little guy. And then coordinating fabrics. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. And we've got some burlap in a variety here. There's a lace. There's a upholstery fabric. Wow, that wouldn't come. So that would be a cool base, and then to put everything on it. Ooh, I'm gonna have to play with that. That is so fun. Thank you, Karen. And then here's the lace, and then there's a little bit of ribbon. There's the buttons, the little flower, and the threads. What an adorable kit. Love it. Oh, she's so cute that she sent me bunnies. Let's see. Let's put you in there. I'm just gonna put it back together and put it with my slow stitch stuff. I'm going to take my slow stitch stuff to the retreats coming up, because it's always a good something to kind of, you know, break up doing journals and stuff. Okay, and then this is coffee dyed and aged paper, 10 sheets per set. Ooh, so look, it's all just yummy and wrinkly, and that is really fun. Yes, those are great. She's got different kinds of paper in here too. Like these are kind of shiny on one side, and then these are, you know, yeah, very fun. Awesome. So that is Karen, Saved by Grace Creation. And, you know, Karen is also the one that, let me show you, I'll get these back in the sack, is also the one that makes these awesome bags with the clear so you can see what's in there. Okay, so that is Saved by Grace. Thank you so much, Karen. So cute. All these are just awesome. Okay, and then let's see, what shall we? Maybe we'll do this because it's taking up a lot of room. So I ordered this. This isn't an Etsy thing. You can get this if you go to my Gayle's Favorite Things on my website, GayleAugustinelli.com. You can put John Derian wrapping paper in the search, and you'll find this. That's how I found it. I have yet to look at this, and I'm super excited. So you might remember the other John Derian thing is this really fun sticker book. And so when I heard about this, I had to go ahead and order it. So one of my subbies told me about it, one of my viewers. And so you guys enable me as much as I enable you, just so you know. So these are like folded in fourths. Do you know what I mean? Like they're fold. So there's 4 this size. And that's the back. Ooh, these are cool. And they have a little perforation, so you just rip them out. Look at those. Oh, such fun. Oh, I am glad I picked that up. Look at the flowers. And the froggies. Big old frogs. Apples. So I just have to look here. So this is about 9.5 by 13. So really you could use these as pages in a book, in a journal, which is what I probably will do with some of them. Oh man, these are cool. Love these. Look at that. Isn't that fun? And then here's the tags. So you get, what do you get? You get 12 tags. Oh, that's very fun. Another fun part of this, look what I got. It came in one of these. I have 4 more journal covers I can make. Yahoo! So yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Let's see. I have 2 announcements, it looks like. Oh yes, Deb at Artsology. She's had to deactivate her printed bags. She's got a family health emergency and with her brother. So she just wanted to have me share that the bags that I purchased, which will probably be here for the next Etsy share, aren't available until she gets back from taking care of her brother. So we wish you well, Deb, and your brother too. You're both in our prayers. And then Johnette at Gypsy General Store wanted to let me know April 15th through the 27th, all items will be 40% off. No coupon code required. And anyone who mentions Gayle, Gayle, in the order comments will receive a free gift from Johnette, Gypsy General Store. So those are the couple of new things. Okay. Now I've got, what do I have? I have 3 digitals to share. This one, let me make sure I'm in camera. Yeah, let's move in a little bit, shall we? We'll move in and then we'll probably need to move out in a minute, right? There we go. This is from a Jewel Design. It's called Vintage Papery Collage. And I'm excited. I'm going to have this by my desk so I can use it in collage. Hello? As the name would indicate, I'm going to use this in collage. So it's lovely shades of green. It looks like I need to do a head cleaning on my printer. But yeah, so I loved all the little bits and pieces that she has in this. So definitely will be using that for a bit of collage fodder. So yeah, a Jewel Design Vintage Papery Collage is that one. And then this one is, this is Junk Journal Craft Lena. You know, I just found Lena and I'm enjoying her stuff. So she's got ancestor collage here. And then on the back of these, neutral journal page. So this makes a really pretty little kit to do journal. I love the pictures. I just think they're so fun. So there's 5 pages in each, and so I wanted to show you those. Got those all ready to go. Don't know which cover, but I love this, so I'm going to use it on some little journal. So that's Junk Journal Craft Lena. And of course the links will be in the description box. Okay, and then I finally got this printed, which I'm super excited about. I don't know where in my line of things that I'm going to do this one, but I can't wait to do it. This is from Crafty Cat USA, our pal Amy there, and it's called We Forest Folk. And I printed it on coffee dyed paper because I love the grunginess of it, and I just wanted it to be on coffee dyed paper. So it's got all her fun little mushrooms that she makes and her little people, we forest folks, if you will. And I just think this is gorgeous. I love this, Amy. You know, I need to mix up my styles that I do a little bit, or I get a little bored if I don't mix it up and have some fun with it. So I'm super excited to play with this kit, do a little grungier journal with this one. I love this lady. She reminds me of the 3 little fairy godmothers in Sleeping Beauty. That's what she reminds me of. So that's a happy childhood memory. Got a little gnome, this little girl. And then she's got Fussy Cut for the people and Fussy Cut for the mushrooms. So you can decorate with those. She's got this little, like a CD envelope type of thing. And then this is for covering window envelopes. And then tags and journal cards. and some small things. And then pocket and little pockets. This one was a mistake. I did it the wrong way, but I can still use these tags, so I kept it with it. Okay, so that is Crafty Cat USA, We Forest folks. So cute, Amy. I love this. Okay, I have one more thing for you. We need to back out for this one, so we'll just do that. Let's see, which way am I going? Which way am I going? This way. Okay, guess what? It's merch time. It's Gayle's artware that will be in available in the merch shop by the 15th of April. So this is the April design, and I love it. I'm so excited to show you guys because I want to wear these. So this is the t-shirt, and I did the turquoise neck binding, which you can do, you know, there's several options, pink and whatever else we chose. So yeah, isn't this fun? This is one of my jelly prints. And so this is the t-shirt. Let's see if I can kind of just show you the whole thing. Yeah, so that's the t-shirt. And then we have the sweatshirt. I did pink on the neck and the sleeves on this one. So there's the sweatshirt. Here's, you know, here's a sleeve. And then it's also got the binding on the bottom as well. So yeah, I'm excited to wear these. So I was excited just because I don't wear them until I get to show you. And then, so yeah, April 15th, and sometimes he gets them on earlier, he being my son. Okay, and then this is the pouch. So yeah, so I was excited to have another pouch. Okay, so yep, and then it's got our little logo down here at the bottom. So yeah, merch coming the 15th, April merch. Yay! So that's it for today, guys. That's all I have. So I hope you have a wonderful Sunday. Have a grateful day, and we'll just see you in the next video. Bye.